Hi, I'm Saya.
And I'm Manel.
We're 15 years old.
And we're from Northern California.
Yep. And today we're going to be singing a cover of Cough Syrup by Young the Giant.
And
yeah,
hope that you like it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Life's too short to even care at all. Oh, 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 oh. I'm losing my mind, losing control.
These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Oh, 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 oh. The wet world aches for a beat of a drum. Whoa, oh, oh. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Life's too short to even care at all. Oh, 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 oh. I'm coming up now out of the blue. Oh, oh.
The zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Oh, 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 oh. The dark world aches for a splash of the sun. Whoa, oh, oh.
If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have